if you're like me, you may want to be a wee bit hip, but also at the same time be a little cost conscious. For those of you who like balling on a budget, boy, do we have a product for you. These may or may not be ripoffs of the popular Apple Airpods Pros. We take a look, set the box down. We notice there is a nice, not as magnetic as I hoped for flap, but that's okay because we're not here for the packaging. We are here for the product, which we don't get much information about based on the box. So we'll look inside, pull out a marker or a divider that says wireless headphones TW40. Okay, and then the actual clamshell headphone case, as well as a micro USB cord, which matches the packaging as well as the case. Here, very small. It's a mini one for all of you who enjoy mini cords. This is the cord for you. From there, under the plastic packaging is some earbud adjusters or different size ear silicone inserts, and then some directions, which we don't need. Taking a look at the actual headphones though, I've been using these for a week. I have to be honest with you. I've been using them and they have been a pleasant surprise for the low price of $39. The case itself, it's not great construction. You open it up and you notice the lid just kind of shuts on its own, but that's not a big deal. What's really nice about these is how easy it was to pair them. I opened the case up, I pulled the earbuds out like so, they immediately show up on my phone as the TW40 earbuds as expected, connected right up, didn't have any issues. Baseline listening time for these on one charge is about 4 hours. And that's talk time or listening time. And you can get a separate 3 charges out of this case throughout the day. So if you listen a lot, throw them back in the case for a bit, charge them up, put them back in, you're ready to rock and roll. There are LED indicators on the clamshell, which you can see if I pull out an earbud. Actually, I think I have to pull them both out to activate it. It's just not doing it for me. But it does show the charge level of the case through these LEDs here normally. The earbuds themselves, listening experience, decent. And I'll say decent for a couple of reasons. I'm not an audiophile, but I thought it was good sound. And one of the things that I think made it such good sound is how well these actually seal in your ear with the silicone inserts. You put them in. It's not noise canceling. It does say that it has hi-fi noise reduction or some sort of language like that. I don't know. That's probably the wrong terminology. I don't necessarily believe that, but I will say they do block out sound relatively well. In addition, while you may not think it has this feature, you put them in, you tap, it'll start playing music, it'll pause music, you can even activate Siri with it. The only thing that I found that wasn't really great was actually talking to someone on the phone. There are built-in mics to these, but when I was doing a test phone call to my good buddy Jack, he was able to hear himself through the headphones. While working out, once I put on the right size cups here for my ears, they did stay in. I tend to wear a hat too when I wear out, like a stocking cap, so that helped keep these in for working out. And for those of you who perspire a lot, myself included, these are IPX6 rated. So they are a bit sweat and rainproof and won't get broken if you're caught out on a run. Overall, I'd say pretty good bang for the buck. If you're looking to not drop a whole bunch of cash but still get that AirPods look, you know, that type of thing where you can walk by someone and they think, oh, that guy's got AirPods, especially as someone who's uneducated in the technology realm, these might be able to pass it off and still give you relatively good quality in the sound department as well. But it's best that you go check this out for yourself by checking out the product, the link in the description. But that's all I have for you today, folks. If you like this video, don't forget to drop it a like. Also click that subscribe button right here and check out some of our other videos over here. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bird out.